So here's OmeTV app video chat alternative. So how to install it? So yeah, this is the app, and then yeah, you can just go and install it. Uh, uh, so yeah, you can just go and try to install it. However, you should be careful with these apps, as sometimes they are not high quality and they just appear in the app store for like few weeks. They just go to the top charts, everyone's just want to do video dating, and then they just disappear. So don't treat them like, as like some serious app, or just also just be quite careful when you try to, create your account, and just use your real phone number. Maybe use like some second phone number, something like that. And just, if you don't like it, you can just quickly delete your account in this kind of apps. If you use this app and you really like it, so just leave some comments below.